안녕하세요 여러분, 아몰입니다. Guys, I think I forgot the today's topic. 어떻게 이야 입니까? 어떻게 이야 입니까? 잠깐만요. Okay, this topic. So as you know, today this is the topic. So now let's get into it. So here guys, prepositions. Prepositions in Korean is jon, okay, jon, nyeon, chi, sa. Jon, si, jon, chi, sa. Jon, si, sa. Okay. So first, over or on. Over or on is VA, 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 VA. Next to yoppe, yoppe, yoppe. Then under there are two meanings, mitte, mitte or are. Are is generally used for deep. Okay, it's deep, for deep. Then between, between is saiye, saiye, saiye. Then inside, inside is ane, ane, ane. Outside bakke, sangyok, bakkyok, bakkyok. It's not bug, it's not bug, it's kyok, kyok, bakkyok, bakke, bakke. Okay. Then in front, appe, appe, appe. Then behind, duye, 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 duye. Opposite side, gon, no, pyeon, ye, gon, no, pyeon, ye, gon, no, pyeon, ye. Okay. Then nearby is gu, gun, then nyan, gun, cho, ye, gun, cho, ye, gun, cho, ye. Okay. So here guys, let's move on how to form sentences using prepositions. Okay. Formation is quite easy. It's subject plus preposition plus verb. Okay. First, I am on the mountain. Okay. So use the subject mountain. Okay. In mountain in Korean say san. San. Okay. So Jonan, Jonan, san. San, we, he, on the, san, we, he. Jonan, san, we, he, 있어요, 있어요. 있어요 comes from ida, idda. It means to be or to be exist. Okay. 저는 산 위에 있어요. 저는 산 위에 있어요. Subject I am. 저는 preposition 산 with object 산 위에. Okay. Then 있어요, which is verb. Then there are footprints. Footprints on the sand. So sand we say 모래, 모래. Okay. Then on the. So it will be again we, he. Okay, we, he. Then footprints is 발, 자, 고, 기. Okay, 모래, we, he means on the. Sand is 모래, we, on the. And footprints is 발, 자, 고기. 발, 자, 고기. Okay, 발, 자, 고기. 있어요. Again, 있어요. You understood? The formation is quite easy to understand. Formation is subject plus verb. Subject plus preposition plus verb. Okay. Preposition with object. Okay. For example, we took mountain as object. So we took 저는 산 위에 있어요. 있어요 come from ida. Ida means to be or to be exist. Okay. Second, there are footprints on the sand. On sand is 모래. Okay, sand. We on the. Okay, then 발자국이. 발자국이 means footprints. Okay, and then there are. Is saw you. Okay. Third, I am in front of the chalkboard. Okay, I am in front of the chalkboard. So journal. Okay, journal. Then chalkboard. Chalkboard. Pan. Okay, pan. Chalkboard in Korean is pan. Pan in front is up. Pe. Then is saw you. Okay, is saw you. You got it? I am in front of the chalkboard, which is I am, to be. Okay, so 저는 철판 앞에 있어요. Okay, first I am on the mountain. Mountain in Korean is 산. 저는 산 위에 있어요. 있어요 있다. Then there are footprints on the sand. 모래 means sand. 위에. Then 발자국이 있어요. Okay. Then I am in front of the chalkboard. I am in front of the chalkboard. So it will be 저는 칠판 앞에 있어요. Object plus preposition. Okay. 저는 칠판 앞에 있어요. So now, hey guys, now let's move on to another examples. Formation. Just remember the formation: subject plus preposition plus verb. Okay. So fourth example is I am behind the door. I am behind the door. Okay, so it will be 저는. Okay, 저는. Now door. Door in Korean is 문. 문 behind. Okay, behind. 뒤에. 문 뒤에 있어요. Okay, 있어요. Otherwise you can say 없어요. Okay, 없어요, which means I was behind the door, or I am behind the door. Okay, which means same from ida verb. Ida means to be or to exist. Okay. Fifth, Seokjin is next to the panda. Next to the panda. Okay. Seokjin. Seokjini. Okay. Seokjini next to the panda. Panda next to. Okay. So next to 옆에. 옆에 있어요. Okay. Otherwise 없어요. Okay. So Seokjin was next to the panda. So it will be Seokjin이 panda 옆에 없어요. And for in present tense it will be Seokjin이 panda 옆에 있어요. Okay. Then she is in the train. Okay. She is in the train. So it will be she 그녀는. Okay, she is 그녀는. Then train 기차 인디 안 위에 있어요. Okay, 기차 안 위에 있어요. Otherwise 없어요. Okay, she is in the train. 그녀는 기차 안에 있어요. Otherwise 없어요. Okay. So here guys, let's move on to 7. Formation, subject plus preposition plus verb. Okay. 7. You are outside the train. Okay. Again, outside the train. Train. You are 너는. You means no. Subject particle 는. 너는 train. 기차 밖에 있어요. Okay? 너는 기차 밖에 있어요. Otherwise 없어요. You were outside the train. You was outside the train. Okay? 8. Our house is between the wood. Okay, between the woods. So Uri house jeep in. Okay, jeep in, then woods. So then behind between sa I ye is soyo. Okay, I hope you are getting this. Uri, our house, jibin, okay, our house. Then Uri jibin, woods, soup. Sariye is soyo. Then last one, under the decks. Okay, so it will be checksum, array, otherwise checksum, mitte. Okay, you are outside the train. Nonan gicha bakke is soyo. Our house is between the woods. So I wrote our house first. Uri jibin, then woods. So between saye is soyo, otherwise osoyo. Then under the decks, it will be decks. First word is decks. Checksum, checksum, array, otherwise checksum mitte. Okay, so hey guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new videos. Then bye.